Hello. Good afternoon, guys. We are here opposite Robinson's Place, Imos. We cannot go out because it's drizzling. It's cloudy part here. It's cloudy, so we're choosing to just stay here on the opposite building before crossing the road, Aguinaldo Highway. So this is the situation now. It's drizzling. Okay. It's drizzling. Unlike the few days before, it's very hot. Now it's turned like the rainy season is always here. So this is what it happens now. We cannot go out. Just stay here. This is where the building where I stand here now. Okay, that's all the opposite building on the corner opposite here, the Fortune Coffee Shop. Okay, so that's the Robinson's Place, Imos. It's drizzling. It's just a drizzling, but you know what, already from the hot season to going to be the rainy season now, but it's drizzling. Okay, this is really the situation here now on the opposite. See, mostly all having their umbrellas. Okay. The opposite one, that one is centered on the camera, is the tricycle parking area. Okay. Crossing the road, Aguinaldo Highway, jeepneys from cars, a service truck. Those having umbrellas opposite where I stand is all those selling young coconuts. We call it on the Philippines here, we call it buko juice. Okay, there is pineapple juice, there is barbecue there. Okay, barbecue, hot dogs, pineapple juice. Yeah. You can see that they are hanging already our Philippine flags on the commemoration of our Philippine independence, which should be celebrated on June 12 every year. So before the holiday, all the avenue officers or town mayors, councilors, so they are doing the symbolism of our country. Our Philippine flag should be hung anywhere in the corner, and even on the cars before Philippine Independence Day should be on June 12. So, see, Philippine flags on the center of Aguinaldo Highway, which hanging on the electric post. Just ahead also there. There should be also on the other side. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Mita B. Morales Vlog. Thank you.